Imagine, guys, so I come back home and a lot of things change a little bit. Let me show you. I'm telling you, a lot of things change. Wow. Another cow got a new baby, guys. What a blessing day. Hey, mommy reside in it.
Juicy.
Wow. Guys, I left this cow previous day, after yesterday. Imagine, guys, to give a new calf, a new baby calf. Wow.
Utaisaba mtu ng'ombe na mabere gagire hiyo. Robero buke.
Watukuya kamugut.
Nikakuwa na jamaa ni chinyo.
See, let me show you a new baby, guys. Look. Ah.
Ni chinyo utakutunangi na jamaa buta. Ni chinyo bibere na chakia. Chinyo guziyara bara buku. Tumanyira hano.
Kaya kamanya kwa bene na chibere.
Hata.
Iga atera ni bere na.
Kweli. Si mbere ho kurusi.
Oh, guys, we thank God for everything. This is a blessing, I'm telling you. And I take it to me. So my mom, she wants me to milk that cow. I'm telling you, guys, this is another blessing. Oh, so I'm thinking about my brother to turn the music off. So I came to pick this sitting stool. My mom, they want to show me how to milk that cow because it's new. It's give a new baby calf. And man, they all maybe from now. Imagine my mom should milk that cow around 9 months. I'm telling you, almost a year. Look at it. Look. Oh. We're running to the Kariora Kama. Kara Kotem say.
Season a label. Come around.
I know you're more than a boy there. I can. Tana manchi. Look. So my mom, she want to teach me how to milk this cow.
Voy to rabere kerwa.
What? Taringa yani mahali.
Utakame mbo.
Taringa yani kitumbo taringa.
Suka suki.
Timira harno mayani.
Dali.
Always. What a blessing day.
Waturu. Taragasi kiyonke kembe. Lakini tago kote. Onoro pero yindongo kama nuru yangi tikukire maguru.
Guys, this is a blessing. I'm telling you. This is a milk, guys. Look.
Situgitiga kesasa.
And so kita no kalamu.
Tagitiga.
Me, I'm so tired. I was milking, guys. If you watch me milking, wow. So this is a new calf. And it's a bull, man. I'm telling you. Another day, their mother give a new baby calf. Also, it's a bull. So right now, again, it's a bull. Look at when Chingambe Kamisa, no? Chinkari.
Jackie.
Muchango pamoja baba ngonta kyori yote nari mujengo nsuki iya baba tia kamoli mu pono katata kyo. So my mom, they want to tie this cow outside. Wow. I came back today in the morning. So, but it's a blessing, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I think you more, Bob. I think you more. Wow. Imagine. I'm telling you, when I left my village, when I go to other village, man, I love 100%. I'm a love of this village. I love this village, or I love my village a lot, guys. You know. But a more amazing video is coming, so we want to bring the calf at their mother. That's my mom. What? African mom. And you know, guys, when the cow give birth like this, they doesn't like any dog around because it protects their baby calf. Wow. It's look good. Oh. Oh. Hey. Okay. Even right now, guys, remember to know even my mom, she feel good, and also I myself, I feel good. And maybe after finishing that, milking that, after maybe 8 to 9 months, that's almost a year. Also, another I would give, and then, but if you try to remember this one, well, and also this is a bull, man. So far so good. We have 3 bulls right now. So guys, I think this toilet I'll do finishing of the tiles maybe by this week, because Ken V254, he was working at Field the Boy. So if you were watching my video, my old video, maybe for last week, you see Ken V working over there. So I don't want maybe to harass him, because he have a contract, and also he get a chance like 2 to 3 days. He came to fix for me one washroom, another washroom. So I understand of that, but I think this week he will finish, and then we come to work on that, guys. And I want to say thank you so much for your love and support, guys. To this structure where it is, it's through your support by watching my videos, and also you support me in other way. So guys, if you feel like you want to support one toilet full of tiles with one toilet, you can do so, guys. Love is for free, and I'm just over here to show you what I'm passing through. And man, for me, when I get money, I spend on a structure like this. But at the same time, you know, I'm trying to struggle to look $400 for making bricks. So right now when I'm talking right now here, my brother from other side, actually is my neighbor, after this maze on other side, he was making for me 10,000 bricks for my mom for the dream house. So this is the first material. When I brought them here, I want to burn them, and then I purchased materials. So right now, even the sand, red sand, for compacting the house, I have already stored here. So you know, when I dig the toilet, I use that resource to store here. Man, you must be very wise and intelligent. You know, for me, I put here. People think that, oh, these are waste. No, my friend, I'm telling you. You see this red sand? This one here. When I start constructing the foundation for my mom, actually for the dream house, when it finish up, we put the hardcore and the revelize. We done everything. We compact, and then plumbing follow. After that, the house will be raising up. So the good thing about construction, you know, I'm new, but I learned something new from this structure that you see here. Trust me 100%. If guys, you have a or material on the ground, or material concerning bricks or blocks, cement, sand, stones, and also steel bar, I'm telling you, within a few couple of days, you finish your house, you finish maybe your structure like this. And when I wake up early in the morning like this, I say, God, thank you so much, because I was dreaming about to build the toilet, a good toilet right now. So it's just over here. And I saw in the comment section, people told me, Ella, maybe that's not a modern toilet. But for me, when I'm coming from this village, I know my background, I called a modern toilet. That being said, it has a sitting toilet and also a good toilet which have been fixed tiles. And actually, when you walk around where I'm coming from my neighbors, I think God bless me with a good toilet. Like recently, you are using the hiding toilet, a hiding bathroom which covered by the polythene paper. But right now, maybe, let me say, when I finish by the end of December or January, I'm just doing so slowly. I'm telling you, you can't imagine. So I want to show for those people who are new, maybe on this vlog for today. And actually, guys, it's a blessed by itself. You know, you can see this is my grandma maze here, and it's doing good. It's mature. Look. So I know I have shown you this structure or this small building for several times, but my big aim to show every day this structure. Maybe I get a new member on this vlog for today, and he or she watching until the end, and he might see what I'm doing on my village, where I'm coming from, and that is it. But for the rest who are watching my videos, maybe from scratch up to now, when this structure started, at least you have a clue about this structure. So welcome again. And after this, these videos are very, very special. Don't miss. You will get premium, guys. I'm telling you. So guys, you know this toilet, it's so big. It's 4 doors, and this is my right now, maybe have been closed. It's 1 door, second, third, and fourth. But at the middle of fourth, 1, 2, these are toilet. But first and last, the washroom. So guys, if you see here, it's rough. So inside here, we had a lot of maybe locomotion of the locomotion in other way. We calling movement, locomotion and movement is the same word. So here might have maybe people moving out, in, and also maybe touching the wall. So I like, guys, to tell you that I put the tiles here. If you support me to put the tiles here, guys, from this part going that way up to the end, I will say thank you, guys. And also I'll put the tiles on me here to avoid maybe a lot of rain and all stuff here. Wow, that is the first outside. And also maybe here the tiles would not go too much because we have the door, the partition of the door. So we'll put also here tiles. And guys, if you support me on that, I will do so. I don't want to say like oh, I want to put tiles and right now no more money, because at least the money that I get, I put on my site like this, So I want to finish up, guys, and I want to say, guys, please, if you want to support maybe in terms of tiles, you can support like one box of tile, 2, 3. Other can support maybe 10, and that's how we go. And the price of the tiles in our village here, like for the fixing of the walls tiles, like here, it goes to around let me say 10 USD. 10. When I get like 10 bucks, that's around that's almost $100, almost $100. Let me say that. And we're ready to go, guys. Imagine. So maybe if I could have money, I'm telling you, my good people, this structure would not seem like this way. I could finish everything, and it's because of money. And when I get maybe some support that uplift me, I fix on tiles. So right now, that's my big aim that have been keep pushing my mind like crazy. Hello, baby. Oh, So, guys, you show me some love apart from maybe supporting me. You show me a lot of love. I'm telling you, I feel like, oh man, one day I could maybe visit all my fun, maybe one after home after the other, guys. But maybe I visit you maybe on this platform. Maybe one day when maybe God bless me to travel. When I travel maybe to a new country and you are my fan and you see maybe the first vlog, just comment on the comment section, hello baby, I'm just on that country. And then I say, okay. So let's move on. And I want these trees by the starting of New Year 2025. I want to cut everything down. I'm telling you, because imagine, guys, I cut these trees and right now, look, it's coming up here. Look, it's coming up. And it's not good. I'm advise you, if maybe you come to my village and maybe if you have a land in my village here, or you have already built, don't plant the blue gums around your house. So that being said, it has a long roots. Sorry guys, it has long roots which can maybe push this maybe perimeter and foundation. Less than maybe 1 year, 2 year, you find your structure fall down. So sometime I advise you maybe something you might don't know, and that is the reason why, or advantage, to be stay in the village, most our lovely village, guys. So these trees, I'm not advise you maybe to plant alongside of your compound. Maybe if you have a aside from your home, far away, you can plant maybe it's on maybe shamba or garden. Wow. So guys, I want to go inside my house And sorry, I want to start my introduction inside of my house, but I started this video random because my mom, she was calling me, oh come and assist to milk the cow. I show you, you know, there is other cow I know how to milk, and also this one my mom told me. So guys, stay tuned, more vlog is coming. And in case you are new here, please guys, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe and share my videos to your family, share my videos to your mom and dad, and also brother and sister. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, guys. I love you. Good morning, guys. Hello Baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, I thank God I arrived back home, and I went previous day for the personal issues, and right now guys, I'm just coming back home and my baby just over there. I'm telling you, the journey was not easy, man. I riding on my motorbike almost 3 hours by riding from my village here up to the big town known as Kisii town, and I went there for the personal issue, and then I came back home. And actually guys, the journey was so tough but amazing, and I hope guys you enjoy my vlog. So first thing, I want to say thank you so much for clicking these videos, and also thank you so much for maybe a new subscriber on these videos for today. Guys, we thank God for the gift of life. We're still alive, and we still see a day like this. Oh man, my pep is growing big. Okay, got telephone. That's my puppy. Yeah, guys, they're drinking milk. You see. So, look. I'm telling you that dog, less than 2 months, you will see how it's big. I'm telling you. You just watch these videos. And actually, guys, I love the puppy. I'm telling you, I love the puppy. That puppy that you see there, I love them. You know. Wow. Moita, Tayikin. So, this is the milk. And actually, guys, I came back home, and a lot of things changed. And actually, my mom, she was calling me to milk the cow. So we have already milked the cow, I and my mom. You find these videos, but this is an introduction. So let me take you this way. I want to see how progress have been going through my materials over there. And actually, guys, this is my grandma home right now here. Let me show you. At the same time, my brother give the dog exercise. They were running around with that puppy. Wow. So the reason being, I said, no, I must have the puppy around home. Wow. So these are the stones here, and actually this one lorry or one tipper, and I use them for making the base of the tank. But it is what it is, guys. We have a lot of things to do. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and actually I'm heading to milking the cow. Guys, after reaching home and doing my old stuff, so I had to run out from my home. This is an emergency occur. So my brother calling me, and I need to make for him some small shopping. So he doesn't have anything to eat since past 3 days, and I was sending him some small money to eat in hotel, because right now he doesn't have anything to eat. Like 3 days, I was maybe helping him maybe some $1 to eat in a hotel or kibandask. So technically, I'm heading to Border Town. Actually, I'm going to purchase the sardines and also the maize corn to transport for him, and it's a distance from here by itself. So man, I reached home, I didn't settle, and I had the call even right now, so I suppose to left home, and maybe I'll purchase like 3 kilos for the maize corn. Actually, I'm going to Border Town to purchase the sardines maybe and cooking oil. And when I'm going to Nyabohanse, I'll go to purchase what we call the maize corn. So that is it. That being said, when I'm at home here, I take care of my family. So I came here yesterday evening. It's so late, but I made the videos today. So this is my puppy here. It's sleeping. Wow. So let me close the house, and I'll pay a visit to my brother because he was calling me, and he has nothing that been said earlier. So guys, stay tuned, enjoy my vlog. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about these videos. So that is the advantage to be firstborn on your family. Sometimes maybe they need help from you, they need help from me, and sometimes I doesn't have nothing. But today I want to say thank you for people who are supporting me, and also I support my family. Even right now, I supposed to rush out with my baby again, What can I say? Monkey, thank you so much, bro. Imagine how my motorbike helped me around. And from here to my brother where he was studying, I can drive. It's almost 3 hours. From there to Kisii, you can drive like 50 minutes to be Kisii town. But from here, let me say, technically it's a half to where I went previous day on that town. So it's a half. So that maybe place it's near to town. So I'm supposed to ride from here, and man, I feel so hungry. Even I didn't take anything, but it's okay. It's okay. And it's good to support my family. You know, guys, through you, I support my family, you know. So right now, I want to hit the road like crazy to Border Town. And I closed the border. I want to purchase the small sardines and also the cooking oil and the maize corn, and then transport to him. So right now, and in case you're new on today's vlog and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Low to 6K subscriber. I'm just climbing the ladders real slowly until I will be higher. And thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Through watching my videos, I support my family, and you guys, you support me in other way. So I want to say thank you a million. May God bless you. Just stay tuned as I move from here right now. Even guys, I'm feel so hungry, like, oh man, like God. But it is what it is, guys. Boom. Wow, guys, so I'm heading to Border Town right now. What? I'm telling you guys, I want to visit my brother right now, and I'm heading to Border Town. Serious. Wow. Oh, construction. I'm a love of construction, guys. So anyway, guys, right right now, that's how I hit the road again. So it's emergency car. I reach home and my brother calling me. So I want to visit my brother. So today's videos, today's title is emergency car. I had to visit my brother. Wow. So right now I'm heading to Border Town, and then after reaching Border Town, I cross to the other country. That's my neighbor's country here, which is Tanzania. Right now, guys, I'm telling you. Wow. So let's go. So I'm at the beginning of Border Town right now. Wow. So imagine, guys, I work all the day, and today I want to launch this petrol station here by putting kerosene. By putting gasoline, I mean, guys. Sorry for that one there. I'll come and then put the gas. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Guys, I realized one thing: when I use the vehicle or the car, it took me a long time, so I'm supposed to use my bike. So anyway, this is Border Town right now. Wow. Ooh. Guys, I want to share with you this story and be a part of my family, guys. I'm telling you. Wow. Guys, so right now I'm in Tanzania. That being said, right now I'm in Tanzania, man. Look. So technically, this is how the views of Tanzania looks like, and I came to purchase the sardines here. Oh. Wow. I'm telling you, I came in Tanzania to purchase the sardines. Wow, I'm ready to go. Let's see. This is the view of Tanzania, man. I'm telling you. You see when the motorbike? Wow. Nice. Naona gari nzuri bro. Changia bro, naomba kurekeza bei. Gorogoro shingapi leo? Afanye funne. Yes guys, so do the silence. Actually I want to buy for my brother, guys. So I'm just around here. And funne. You know, 4,000 is Tanzanian money, equivalent to 200 Kenyan money. Lakini usijicheketi. Utakache wiure. No. Nyingine? Hii na hii ni gani kubwa? Hii ni rangi. Eti rangi. Rambe nkuiruro. Wow, I think that one it can push my brother. Hiyo ni mtu mmoja wanaenda kula, hiyo ishatosha. Si atakula hadi mwezi wa 12. Kuanzia sasa. Mtu mmoja hapa ndio utakula mali. So I think this one it will be okay. So guys, from the market. Haya. Oh guys. Hii mfukoni zako. Leo fishi ni hapo. Simba kishura nyasi bana. Leo fishi ni.
Unataka ipi?
Ngono nirenga mkunguri.
Hapana.
Wa. Na mahindi haya shakobolewa.
Haya yamekobolewa.
Hatutaki nyama. Hatutaki nyama imekobolewa.
Hataki nyama imekobolewa. Yenye hajakobolewa yako.
Nirenga mkunguri gorogoro.
Gorogoro anauza yenye hajakobolewa gorogoro ni 2000.
100? Ati achende kuna kule kwetu. Ani mororanse ndichi usenda yego tiga. Leo ni pumzika.
Kwani vimena tichizo?
Vino? Ai sasa ukikula na kichwa kabisa. Yeke na nyanya.
Nyanya za shingapi?
My friend. Utapimu weke huko. Boa. Umesema kwa 500 kama 500. Leo fish ni
Kiende.
Wala choncho cha 500? Ongeza zingine unaniibia.
Asibi.
Kano unahesabu kama unyuna rangu na unatoa nyanya hapa karibu.
Siwezi kukuibia.
Mafuta gani mboga? Uko show uweki mafuta maji?
Tuweki maji.
Kiende.
Tatora mimi vimena vyombo.
Yaani ya maji ya
Bamia.
Yaani mimi ukiweka mafuta maji afu ni
niko hapa. Niko hapa.
Bamia.
Nyumbani ni wapi?
Ni Sirari hapa nyumbani.
Unamjua huyu?
Jirani yake.
Si jirani kwa kibanda.
Nyumbani.
Nipe mafuta.
Haya hapa.
Shingapi?
Shilingi 9000. Shilingi 9000.
9000 shingapi? 900 ama 9000?
9000.
Hiyo ni 400.
Hiyo ni 450. Mafuta iko juu boss.
Acha tuniende nino kwetu. Dada piga hesabu.
Kiende.
Nitakutolea basi.
Acha uko kwetu kuna 200.
Hivi amepanda.
Acha tuniende Kenya. Nirenga chihikire.
1500.
1500. Ongeza na vitunguu.
Vitunguu niekeza shingapi? Vitunguu za shingapi?
Unapimaje? So guys, I want to buy even the onions.
Vitunguu naweka hivi buku.
Irenga?
1000 hivi.
1000. Wao kile ni kivuno.
Akijaoza shingapi?
Tema mama sasa ndio irenga chiki.
2500.
2500. Ai. Na sabuni
3500.
pesa ya Kenya
3500 ni 170. Alafu na hii pia 2500.
nipe. Guys, I want to promote him. Nipatie. Tachoambia yangu tigere kwa. Hizi napelekea bachelor kama mimi, mambo na kuunga vitu hajui. Ni ndugu yangu napelekea shuleni sasa. Hajui kuunga hivi. Yeah. So at the same time guys, I want to buy this soap here. Nipate siliki. Yeah?
Sema kwambia umpe hii.
Sili kilo moja.
Kwani sabuni
Zimeisha.
Pangua.
sabuni si hapa.
Ndio nilikuwa naangalia hapo mimi niliweka.
Ai. Pigeni hesabu yenu. Ukaambirisha unirenga 100.
Za kwangu inakuwa 100.
150. Kana mrasu unipe sabuni.
Wewe.
Oh. We need to pull up things. All right, so it's time to pay money. At the same time, they sold fish there. Wow, guys, so I have the shopping here, and it's time to go back home. and then I'll purchase the maize corn, and then I'll deliver, guys. I want to hit the road like crazy. Wow. Guys, after that, after buying the maize corn, I'll take the maize corn to the posho mill here, and technically I'm going to look for the maize corn right now. So I'm at Yabanse Kibandaski, guys. I'm telling you, just around here. So I'm going to look for the maize corn. I'm telling you. Mama, unauza mahindi? Oh, mtara hapo mjumbe mama kiko ni yanke pia rongo. Niko maamulisha wito. Ora umfa. Tuma skule. University. Ora na umfa tiko mutande na umfa. Ngango ra mahindi kono nese. Ego hana mahindi. Otia wasadia mahindi mama. Oh guys, so I'm looking for the maize corn right now. Wewe ndio nikupi mama kutafazi. Ukinda chini ya ho. Eno. Hane reichore. Fanta. Eno. Nei. Ati ambe ngora mahindi. Sina na mahindi hapa nipate change. Wala ni ntano moto kukwepa. Baade. So guys, I want to buy 5 kg, I think so. Each goes to $1. Oh. Ora richi rivera. Não cubia macu. Então quando mirando te requer rongo re. Era mona tu escuro.
Mona wen.
Aqui ficou.
Tá, rádio bem.
Nice one. Okay. Toni kisko mama imweyo nenda mosere
Hagare.
Bono bona cha sumweni
Ora kulembe kama mumba ama karangire.
So guys, my mom shows tried winnowing the maize. Let me show you the process. You see guys, and then I'll take the posho meal. After that, I'll hit the road. Huwe ngambe maguta. Is want to buy the cooking oil here. And I'm going to buy my kuyande.
How much?
I don't tell me you don't need
130.
See me.
130. Price producer hii.
Nagano?
The same price. Hii ndio inaenda hapa.
Kosho.
500 ml.
Tukwevera.
Isiwezi bia mteja. Kipibia leo kesho.
So I want to buy this cooking oil.
Yes.
Goes to a 1 USD. I know ni change.
Sitatafuta. Singelipa pale kwa mahindi.
Mahindi nishalipa.
1000.
Wale nilikuwa na change less. Nilipa 500.
Kama sinitafuta yani kilete sasa hivi.
Wewe tafuta.
Nipe kama dakika 20.
Hata dakika 10 wewe nenda. Wow guys, so this is the cooking oil. You know that's the life, real life. for the maybe boys, man. Guys, I came from the posho mill, and this is the maize flour for my brother. Actually, guys, it's pure white. Let me show you. See, and also I made for him a small shopping: sardines, cooking oil, tomatoes, onions, soap. Oh, I forget to buy the sugar. Maybe it depends. So for now, let me take this small shopping, and then I hit the road like crazy. Wow, guys, so I supposed to buy the sugar around on this Kibanda's shop here. Let me show you. Mura Odi, nipe sukari. Wewe ndo unauza? Hello. Halo. Acha hivi nikimbie tu Rongo ndo nirudi afu tuende nipeleke ndugu yangu mahindi nikuje tuende. Nipo sukari ya msi. Acha weka tu hapo. So this is the sugar. This is the sugar. Oh. I'm telling you guys. Yeah. I'm making the shopping for $40 for my brother. And actually, thank God. Heva kuri vyakora. Anta kuhuni chimbiri. Wanda utautu vyakora sawa. Bimeno ikunyara marumu.
Kuri vyakora mame kuyasi.
Atwana nikule chakula. Mimi kama si chakula mimi kweli sina pesa.
Chombongora.
Mamoni angalizie hizo hapa.
Hapo montore
ni. Mimi sipatiani pesa.
Tatura haja na mwenza.
Enjoy ni mure. Yes guys, they request for food. And when maybe I'm saying I didn't have nothing, so for now they request food. Mad. For now I was from the posho mill, and this guy asked for me money, so he was feeling hungry, and then I said maybe I buy for you some food. Okay. Mpewe nikiona.
We really appreciate for what our guys doing. We appreciate it.
Okay, you welcome.
Thank you.
Pendo pate ugali wa waita tuone. Pahabona mandama. Mia.
Kaya mucha akuru moto isiko harakera muntu chaguye nyama yangu. Ino mie 20 simi.
Hamuna 20 muongeze. Hapana kwa nyuma.
Ina shida. Bora kuweza.
Ndio tumesha.
Okay. Kana maana ina supu.
Supu atatuwekea.
Dada simwekee supu.
Weke supu.
When you drink this soup, guys, I'm telling you. Romore iko tata maranya maro.
Atu bora gabi gata meju kama nige kwanza ndio mara.
Ano munya maro pono nyamu. Yes, guys. I'm telling him because when I give you money to go to take liquor, instead maybe you take food.
Yeah, the food we are taking the food, you know. My mom made you give it.
Thank you food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am so chimore. Acho kono mamon ganir garno hayo.
Nje mama. Okay, ibinene.
Aya mama tigani. Okay guys, I left this Kibandaski hotel here. It's supposed to run out and I'm telling you, wow. It's a distance by itself guys, so stay tuned. Anyway guys, so that's how the journey began, and let's go. Guys, I'm telling you, right now I'm heading to my brother's place. See at the back? That's shopping. So I'm heading this way. Anyway guys, because of the wind blowing, so we have too much of the wind, and here's the shopping. Oh, this is my baby here. Actually right now I want to hit the road like crazy, so it's a far distance by itself, but I want to say thank you so much guys by keep clicking these videos and enjoy my vlog guys. Stay tuned. Well guys, for now I'm in Migori, so I'm almost to approach the big town, a small town, but it's a nice one. So right now I'm in Migori. So let's go. Whoa. See that tall building there? Woo. We have a nice restaurant here called Florence Hotel. This one here. It's a nice one. That's my back. So it's time to go. Time to go. Haha. Guys, anyway, subscribe to my channel. I have a nice content ever, guys. I'm telling you. They are making bed. But guys, I'm walking alongside the road. You know what I mean? Wow. It's my baby. Wow. They're making gates, nice gates over there, chairs. Man, I'm telling you. Wow. This is where business will done or relocates. Wow. It's a nice bed. Wow. Whoa. Nice bed here. Petrol station total there. Man, today's videos are very, very special, and I thank God, man, to be out today. So I had an emergency call from my brother, so I supposed to run out, and then maybe after passing the town I will hit the road like crazy, man. But anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm telling you, if you subscribe to my channel, that is the best way you can support the Roberto Official, by watching my videos, subscribing, guys. Me, I'm walking alongside the road, guys, for now. See that? This is Migori town right now, so I'm in town. Oh. Super amazing view. Wow. Today I show you the flyover, guys. It's over here. You see this flyover? Wow. That's how it go. This is Migori town. Hey, for sure. It's a busy town, I'm telling you. It's a busy town. Wow. Look at the side. Nice shop. You see at the side, look, the supermarket, man, look, so nice. Wow. Guys, sorry for the music. Anyway, that's how I hit the road. I'm telling you. Oh, wow. So today I make sure that I show you where I'm heading to. Oh man, you see people, they are moving up and down. Let's go. Wow, guys, so finally I'm almost to approach the school. That's the Rongo University main campus. You see that way? So actually I'm going this way. Wow. Wow, guys, so I'm going. I left this way, and this place, it's a mining area, guys. You can see for yourself. Wow. I'm telling you, my people, it's a long distance also, but we try to keep pushing ourselves up to here. Wow. Guys, the noise that you heard, that is mining area. You can see even at the left, you heard. I'm telling you, this place where I am, it's a mining area, and technically, technically, I feel like when I'm riding the motorbike, even on the road, maybe there's some mining places here. Wow. When I'm on the way, I see people dried up the mining for the sun, and actually for the shining one. Yo. Let's go. Keep pushing. I think, guys, this is my third to be here. So this is where maybe my brother came to purchase small things under this shop here. Small shopping over here. Wow. Guys, finally I'm just alive. I'm just arrived. I'm telling you, guys. I'm just arrived. Finally I'm here. I don't know where they can open for me a gate. I don't know. You see? Well, guys, I've already reached, and this is where my brother stay, and he was not around. I see them washing their clothes over there, so let me call him, guys. Oh. Guys, I'm calling my brother right now because maybe he went to school. Listen, bro. Sometime, guys, maybe he feel hungry and maybe he went to hang somewhere. So let's see. You heard? Oh, I wonder why he doesn't receive my call. What? Guys, he didn't receive my call or he left the phone back. Oh. For me, I called him twice. I don't know, maybe where he going, guys. Guys, finally he received my call. So these things, it's almost to fall down. But I realized I've already reached here, and look, because I'm telling you it's a tough journey. Look, I take them here, so right now when I reach here, go like sideway. But let's say God is good all the time, and this is where my brother stay at this small hostel here. So he washed the clothes and bed sheets, and also the t-shirts here. A small laundry, no machine here. They use manpower. Actually, at the same at my home there. So this is where my brothers stay, and I hope maybe he close maybe outside and also inside, you know. So when I was paying him the rent from this house, big shout to you, mom. Thank you so much for paying my brother's 3-month rent. I give him some condition. Condition number 1 is to make sure that inside, to have 2 padlock like this one, to make sure that inside they closed. When you get outside, they close like this, and to make sure at the same time to close the window. You see, so to prevent some security, and at the same time during at night to lock. This is my brother here. Can I have one? Ano muy gusto ere mara. Ang corazón baraba. Muy gusto. Ama hindi wasuke waro kumi mara. Chine miezi miwili. Sena besi ke warengana bamo. Mahindo rubuti. Mchere ngakole 3 kilo. You see some school students. Here they wear casual. Is that? So this is my brother. Mfungore kabe. Okay guys. Oh ati chinga buchina kunyori hano furniture.
Sene chana ariko gotega ni gawas kubulia.
Ono guri chino getekero hire. Oma next hano gucha tacho esa mahindi. Tacho mgiyole rimolete hano. Chimbire chinde. Upeke. Hano tunakuri bimeno ngaranja ho gora orete. Hano ikam na mahindi rigonera na kilo hata 50 mahindi rigonera. Ndrago kwanto euro ringa. Ore ikam na mahindi rigonera na kilo 50 cyumuchere na mugotarita 10 utashika mfaru. Hizo ndio vitu zinasumbuaga sana moso. Guys, I'm telling my brother maybe next year when he'll come, because we have a project for the farming there for the maize. I'm telling him maybe next year he'll come with one bag sack of maize and also 50 kg of rice. It can push him like 6 months because he stay alone here. So fungo vile mtu mwoto sibi. Ngira mahindi kim Bwana kana norese kuruche kamera size gorogoro 5 no bosengo seremo. Sasa bora bitakao. Ni bimene gorogoro. Yes guys, I'm telling my brother I bought for him 5 kilos. There's some those maize corn like plastic one, 5 but I purchased 4 now the 5th one I take them to the posho mill. Sardines are there, cooking oil, soap, sugar, tomatoes, and also onion. Oh, first thing I lock my bike. One way yekiora huruti gichinge baharu tebare Yes, I'm telling my brother, he washed the clothes and then hanging there because no security here. Maybe things like fence. Tatarana you. Yeah, guys, so he will open that. Hayafungwa mura. Ntume no kwambi go rambo kuri to mai. Wani chama tini hewa deme na kugiso.
Eh. Aba retiro bosse.
Na tu kyo kore pani. Yeah.
Aba ni sanga pele.
You know, you have like 2 weeks to come back home or 3 weeks. 2 weeks, I think. By December on date, maybe 15 will be around at home. So because we are staying alone, it can push you. You know, that is sugar. Sabuni hoere. Yes, I add even the soap. That's tomatoes. I'm telling you. Okay, that's the flour for cooking. Also, man, silence. Onion. Cooking oil. Bona sana raramba. Umchere wangu wana kukumahamu kwa remuru. Lete kikusuko kyotuma. Kwani kuri bintu muri? Kwani kwihe koro aleta abantu barale?
Ba. Agachuru montana.
Hi, them kimena binu hume wokero. Obose. Guys, I'm telling him to take this flour to put on a small kwani hukora toro bose mara biro na wori bibe.
Bibe. Kino bela ke. Ringi be.
Idigona era dirna alete mind here.
Ayurra.
Mati bi na to kwaitire.
Me bono karine na bono na chakunti.
Hey guys, so this is the flour. Actually, if you're watching these videos, I take to the posho mill and all stuff. Wow. Posso kama bono norari wiki. Umuntu mano manche kama sengo tentora makima.
Yendo te. Kama ngi chulini wana rai.
Kwa hiyo nakutumiri gani?
Yeah.
Yani ndakutumiri chimbiri, ndakutumiri chimbiro walingora reverse. Imagine guys, if this one could take you around maybe 5 days to 7 days, alright?
Yeah.
Yes. And also, if this one take you 1 week, you have sardines. Sometime, man, you can make maybe even strong. You take maybe with mandazi, 2 mandazi if you have some coin. But me for now, I play my part. I purchase maybe the maize corn just over here. If you want to take this maize to the maybe posho mill, you sit outside there, you dry like one. There's some small maybe stuff. Unajua kupima gogoro moja. This is around maybe 4 kg. You dry them around the sun and then take to the posho mill. Don't take direct because it can't give you much maybe flour. So maybe you can cook. Let me check that thing. Yeah. Oh, it's 13:32, and my journey started around 11. So almost 2 hours by riding. Okay. Take these sardines. Look another maybe another stuff to put to remove from the poultry prep. Yes. Anyway, guys, after this, I'll give you special tour to the school for my brother. In case you're new here, this is where my brother stay at a rental house. In Ado we call hostel, outside hostel. Wow. So because he calling me like 4 days, oh my brother, I'm hungry. Sometimes guys, when I have some coin, I send for him. When I didn't have, when he calling me, I said, wow, what I'm going to do for my brother. But right now, guys, I said, oh, this is too much. Let me visit my brother. And he doesn't have anything here to eat. Tasebora bimena birusi guchwara muri.
Abisebora bona hindato.
And then you, yes, this sugar you put the place that I give you.
Yeah.
There's some container.
Yeah.
So me, I always advise you, if you get 50 bob, just purchase things that are missing. Utaka kore getu nukura na utiki bintu birambe pene bimo. No bokangi unabo.
Nganta kabo.
Rama.
Oh, sango na. Ako kore getu kanda.
Ingentu kama sukari yake kubora mu unyore shinga musini.
Ona musini yo ikubi nyore sana. Njangu kunya narengi chumura bantu bani tribalism muche.
Kono ukikupata no mukuri yore.
Usunanje. Bona ti ko mo kaya wabo.
Atori bintu ndinge muri. Wahanu wucha in a long holiday you just make sure that you work hard, you look maybe money. Maybe when you open the school, maybe a small amount money that I have, I can add for you. I top up for you. So you came for a long holiday. Just come like work 2 months, and then maybe when you open the school, I will add you maybe a small amount of money. I'll top up you. And then you came with maize and maybe rice from Tanzania. The life continues. When you came with 50 kg, goes to around $40. And already you have the maize. It can keep pushing you around 6 to 5 months. I'm telling you. Yes, guys. Una mafuta ya mboga mengine?
Yeah.
Tona mgutu hati? Karna cha ukulete? Hey, hanunyora 50 mara.
Ano hora ikunyura amusi.
Usatu chikono choke ukengera to muntu chima musombere miti.
Hemo kengere hijira hai.
You can go outside of the school maybe during maybe when you doesn't have maybe some classes or weekend. You go around maybe. I even if you go kupitunguri mo. Vitunguri nkiko emu. Ndani kubimena. Anyway, guys, I'll give you a quick tour. I was talking with my brother with vernacular language. I'm telling you, sometime when maybe you find a job, a small job here, when he doesn't have maybe classes, maybe during the weekend, he just work maybe hustling, at least to have like $4, $3. He can keep pushing himself in terms of basic need. You know what I mean? Oh, guys, stay tuned. There's my brother, and then I'll give you a quick tour. Anyway, guys, so let's give you a quick tour for the school for my brother over here. Yeah. How do you feel right now?
Good, but
hey, now you lose weight. Seems like 5 days with no more food.
Yeah. I can remember sleeping without food.
How many days? To be honest, don't lie on my camera and all stuff. To be honest.
Without food.
How many days? Be honest. Because sometimes I send you money. Yeah, maybe some small money. So right now you told me, oh, you are feel hungry.
I was taking the food, but it was not enough for my stomach.
Don't take too much of food, man.
No.
You are a man. Take a little food.
For you to concentrate in class, you must.
If you eat too much food, you'll be dormant in your class. I'm telling you.
That is lies. Because for your concentration in class.
So we use other route this way?
No.
You go that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, they're playing golf over there. Oh, hey. Wow. I can show people how they play golf.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right.
Yes. I'm just talking with my brother. You know, to be firstborn. Maybe young brothers maybe say, oh bro. But sometimes when you have money, you realize maybe sometime at home there they need maybe to put something on table and all stuff.
Yeah.
At the same time, you know, sometimes you didn't have money maybe to be take maybe care of the basic need. Oh, okay, they're playing golf, man. I'm telling you. Mambarang. Karena apa na basku? Poo. Oh. They are playing. We're calling golf. You know, when I'm coming on the other side, the main entry gate, the security officer told me, you must go back. No more entry of the motorbike. And then I take a U-turn and go around. There is strike. Because right now, some students are outside. Like this one you see here, they're playing golf. Man, I'm telling you. Like, dwah! Anyway, I left my baby at the back at your house there. My baby, you know my motorbike, I'm calling my baby. Don't be confused. Yes. So when you have a strike in your school, it means that you sit, I don't know, maybe no reading, maybe interact with maybe some classes.
Yeah, for now it is almost a month. Strike.
Almost 1 month?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So when did you maybe start your exam?
After 1 month to come.
Maybe you mean that the holiday of December end, you start the exam on January?
I don't know.
Or maybe the end of November, by December 1st week you start exam.
I don't know how the strike will go.
But I see, man, your schools be quiet and chilling, no maybe chaos right left of the center.
They were
Or they done silently.
They were striking in the morning. But by now,
Who striked? Students or teachers?
the teachers.
Okay. Alright, I get you. Wow. Anyway, guys, they can allow me to enter in your school or not?
Yeah, here is free.
To enter is for,
Anybody can enter.
to enter is for free?
Yeah.
Maybe they can, maybe guys, maybe they don't understand, maybe I'm a student. Oh, let's take you. Do you know your stream? Or
Yeah,
you
it
don't have stream?
Doesn't have a class for particular year. So here you can enter any class.
Okay, let's go. If there is no problem, just show me. Maybe there is people watching these videos for the first time. These are my brother's Slam. Oh, all right. Hi. Maybe if there is no problem, you can take me around. Oh. So this is where you wash your hands. Yeah. Now. Huh? Sasa si mimi sina shida. So kinitaka haina shida.
They will arrest you.
They can arrest me, no problem, because I came here with one condition, to visit you, to brought for you some food and all stuff. Why do you arrest me with no reason? Hey, your school is very clean, I'm telling you. And these are a walkway. You know, I want to design on my modern toilet a walkway like this one, going to the toilet. Maybe when you have the visitor, they can see, oh, this is a walkway going to maybe some department and all stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right. We're going this way or that way? Okay. So means sometime you start this part, sometime you go this area. Can pass here. Let's walk this way. Oh. Hey. How do you feel on this background?
It's good.
Now you wear casual, no maybe uniform, like everybody know you are a student. Yes. You know this structure, both of them, I see from the far end when I'm coming back.
Where?
I said these structures, this building, I saw from the far end. I said, when I use geographical method, I can go straight like this, and then I meet your school right directly, like boom. Wow, this is a staircase. Also, this is a classroom or
This is a library.
library. Okay. Hey, Mr. Benson. You look like an officer. Okay, how did you tell my people, maybe for those who are watching my videos and maybe supporting both of us?
So what I can tell your subscribers, continue subscribing.
Don't touch here. Be audible, man. Don't touch them.
You know, that is my nature. So what I'm telling your subscribers, to continue subscribing your YouTube channel and likes more, because it is through those people and through you. That is why I'm getting the support. Because without you, I cannot make it.
Oh, I remember. I see that building, tall building at the far end. I said when I use geographical method, I can go straight and then meet your school. But at the tarmac road, take me around. Wrong process. But when it's straight, I can use the geographical method and then I go like straight and meet that structure.
Yeah.
Continue.
So what I can tell your subscribers, continue subscribing and liking.
And watch full videos.
Yeah.
And I leave the sweet comment there, positive one.
Yeah.
Wow, man, look. This is my brother's school where he studied and all stuff. Wow. Maybe some event when attend in your school, they were being taken around here or not yet. Or these are field for maybe relaxing during evening time.
That is a graduation ground.
Yeah, this one here?
Yeah, graduation ground.
Yeah, I saw.
Any activity. It is not only for a graduation ground. So
Any event that I attend in your school here.
which has a lot of population can take place on that place.
Anyway, so you want to take me around?
Yeah, if you decide, even you can make a turn.
A U-turn. If there's no problem, you can take me around going that way, and then we meet at the main gate, and then you came back.
Yeah. Let's go.
If there is problem, let's take a U-turn. Take a U-turn. Guys, I'm telling you, I see that structure from the far end when I'm coming back. But anyway, I love maybe the walkway. Maybe there's no muddy place. You can walk on this walkway until your classroom and all stuff. And you can see how the flowers were being trimming. Well organized. I love this compound, man, a lot. Wow. Okay, so guys, I'll take you to the main gate. After that, I'll end my videos and then I'll go and greet your mom.
Alright.
Yes. And nowadays you're losing weight. I'm telling you, you're losing weight like crazy. But I understand. You know, when you're in school, there is something that you think, oh, how about your life in future and all stuff. But I forget for that. Focus ahead. Don't look back. Look where you are heading to. Focus ahead, I'm telling you. In terms of academic, focus ahead. So I want to take you going that way to the main gate. And actually, when I came in back from my home, when I reached at the main gate over there, the security officer told me no more entry of the motorbike. Maybe I can call you. I wanna call you. Maybe I said no. Let me take a U-turn, and then I go around up to your place. I'm trying to call you twice, and then you didn't pick my call. Okay. So right now you are free, maybe like 1 month walking, loitering around. Yeah, I feel like I could walk here. Well, guys, anyway, show us some love. So today the weather is so conducive, the weather is so calm in another way, and technically it's so hot. Maybe you can't see, but you see my image, guys, how I'm vlogging. It's too hot here, so but I will take you down, and maybe I wanna take the thumbnail from their school gate there. It have a nice view. Wow. Hey. Say something, don't be quiet. You know, these are like an emergency. You try to call me some few couples there back. Yeah. Maybe you can tell my people what challenge did you face and all stuff. Why do you be quiet? Tell me. All that I brought for you some food and then you said the game over. Tell me anything that you feel, maybe challenge that you face.
The game cannot.
Maybe this climate can't allow you. Anything that you feel.
The climate is favorable. Everything is good. Yeah, it is only the lecturers who are striking, giving us hard time to study because we are first years. There's no way we can learn by ourselves. We depend on those lecturers to give us notes, some lectures. Yeah.
So right now I understand because we are hungry, and after this go and make maybe a little bit a huge ugali and sardines you take and to be strong. So right now you are talking like as if you are maybe like 1 month no food. But anyway, guys, I'm trying to make some crazy jokes, but the real sense, my brother, like I think like 3 days you feel so hungry.
Yeah,
You are a man.
I was wondering what brought me in this school because there is no way I can stay without food.
Oh, you
Going
see,
without food, that is impossible.
they can allow us to pass with their camera here
Yeah.
or not yet, because I don't like trouble. Wataniruhusu.
Yeah.
Okay, you pass that way. Wow. So these were my brothers, the entry. Wow. Oh. Hey, when I came here for the first, they tell me take a U-turn, my friend, and go back. No more. You can see when that guy is struggling with a motorbike. You see over there? Wow. Well, guys, I want to take a thumbnail with my brother. You see that parent take a U-turn with a motorbike?
Yeah.
Wow. So thank you so much, guy, by keep supporting us, or by keep supporting me by watching my videos. Oh, let me. Oh. Yeah, here it's better. So, oh. Hey. You see that car. Thank you so much. May God bless you. This is my brother here.
Yeah.
And actually, he was our second born. I'm the first born. He was our second born, and we have our third born, and also last born. That is my sister. So thank you so much. By your support, today I reached to visit my brother here. And actually, guys, you know, when a man said, oh, I'm feeling like 3 times, think twice, you know. It's because sometimes I didn't have money. When I get money, to be honest, I send you maybe some like $1, maybe to take some cafe in the hotel, maybe mandazi. Until now, I brought for you maybe maize corn and maize flour and sardines. And it's true of the courtesy who watch these videos. Maybe they can support you in other way.
Yeah.
But you are lucky enough. Last month you got a supporters who paid you 4 months for the rental.
Yeah.
And for me, if YouTube could pay me a lot of money, I could do you a lot of things as I can. But right now, sometimes I get $40 per month, and you know, my family need to put something on the table. Also, I need to fill my motorbike and looking for the content. But all in all, we struggle to make sure that our mom to be proud of herself. And in other way, for me, from my bottom of my heart, what can I add for you is to put more effort in your academic, you know. So you know where you came from, we know our background situation, and if you take your flashback years, how my mom struggling with us when our father passed away, but it's by God's plan. So we thank God to have a single parent, and sometimes, you know, I take care of my mom. I told my mom, never go and working so hard in our neighbor's farm. Just relax. Maybe I can promote you in terms of basic need and some small shopping. You know. Likewise, guys. You know, I'm the master of the family. I take responsibility of my family. You know, sometimes I can have maybe money to put some tiles on my toilet, and you feel so hungry. I said, which is which? Am I going to put tiles or to buy for you food? And then I realized you can't maybe study and you are hungry. I said, today let me brought for you here. And for me, guys, I feel like I could shed some tears, but it's happened. So you remain with 3 years ahead of you to finish your course. And for me, guys, I want to say, keep putting our family on prayers. One day my brother could be a teacher, and you will see. And if I'm alive, I could show you where my first attachment for my brother to be interact. So say thank you to my people.
So thank you very much.
Guys, anyway, thank you so much. I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you a million. My God bless you guys. We shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.